What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. Can you replace the batteries on a BLACK+DECKER lithium handheld dustbuster? So you have the lithium-powered BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster here, and you're thinking about replacing the batteries, which I was thinking about. I've gone ahead and cracked open the housing to show you what we have here. So here's the battery pack, and it has foam on either side. The problem here is that it looks like the contacts to the batteries are soldered on both sides. So what you have to do is you'd have to connect them there, you know, kind of prime away, and then push the batteries out from this little plastic housing. There doesn't seem to be a way to open it up easily. It's not like a clamshell. And then put your new batteries in there and then solder them down. And I will tell you that it does not appear to be button tops, kind of flat top 18650s. So if you are electronically inclined and done a little soldering on your own, this might be a household job. But despite the fact that I was hoping that I could just kind of swap in some 18650 lithium batteries and rejuvenate this little dustbuster because I really like it, it's really not a DIY repair. So I'm going to save you some effort from buying 18650 batteries and hoping that you can get into it to replace it. It's really more of a disposable item, especially in this one where the batteries won't run the vacuum cleaner for more than a minute now, no matter how much I charge it. So really kind of too bad, especially because I have a feeling maybe just one of these cells has gone bad. But there it is. Don't try to replace it unless you're a technician. Peter Von Panda. Out.